My name is Jose Martín Moreno. I am a professor of medicine and public health in the University of Valencia, Spain. I am also the director of a chair of Innovative Solutions for Health. And I am affiliated with ESMO and Public Policy Committee, with the European Academy of Cancer Sciences, of the European School of Oncology, of the European Code Against Cancer. So I am very focused on the idea of cancer prevention and control. I have a dream. I would like this not to be another meeting. There are many meetings and we say the same thing. And we cannot get different results if we keep doing the same. So first of all, we need to be proud of our principles. I think in Europe we have wonderful principles. In the geopolitics that we are living around the world, we can see it. But at the same time, we have room for improvement. And we need to acknowledge, we need to identify where we can do it better. And actually, we have fragmented regulation, we don't have common rules, we don't have proper synergy in spite of being 500 million people that could work together towards a very noble aim. And actually, there are things that we could do much better. Actually, this is not a question. We have developments, we have technologies, we have advances, but there is no equity, it's not arriving to everybody, and at the same time, there are things that could be improved if we remove bottlenecks, if we focus on the solutions, not only on the problems. And instead of saying, what if this is going to be wrong, say, what if we can do it better together? That's the idea. First of all, with open mind. We don't have the solution. We don't have the monopoly of the truth. There is no only way of doing something. There is a wonderful author called Ludwig von Bertalanffy who wrote a magic book called actually General System Theory. And one of the principles is called equifinalities. There are many ways to go from A to B. There are different solutions. And the only way to discover that is to learn from each other. So actually, I believe in the idea of sharing knowledge, of not only competing. This idea of excellence, competition, and so on is a little bit tricky. Rather, I believe in collaboration, in putting together the ideas, because together we are stronger. We are not only adding things, we are multiplying things, because from a very same principle, with another perspective, we can multiply the possibilities. So I am very optimistic in the possibilities of doing better if we collaborate. I have to acknowledge that we have a challenge because sustainability is a problem. There are people who are not believing that we should have public system that could be equitable, that we should have universal health coverage, that consider health as a good and not as a right. So you want to have health, you pay it. For example, in the US is the system. It's like you want to have a good car, you pay for it. You want to have a good insurance for your car, you pay for it. You want to have a good insurance for your health, you pay for it. I don't believe in that. I think part of the strength and beauty of the European community is that we consider that this is a right. Because without health, we don't have the possibility and the potential to develop our human project. So I would like to emphasize that health is not everything. But without health, everything else is nothing. And we saw it in the pandemic. So you can be wealthy, you may be focused on many other things, but if you don't have health, you won't be able to develop your personal project, your family project, everything. This is why respecting all the other fields, of course, but health has to be prioritized.